Sekarang kita Miss Universe Malaysia Finalists dekat Glojas Clinic. Kita akan buat treatment hari ni.
Kita sangat gembira boleh dapat berada di sini. So thank you Glojas.
Terima kasih Glojas.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful. The important thing that you must remember is confidence.
So this is your concern area.
Yeah.
Basically your pinch test
Yeah.
is positive. Okay, so this treatment is very suitable for you.
So what we're going to do today is something simple, what we call a hair rejuvenation. It will increase the blood circulation and the hair will go stimulation. In 2-3 months time, she will get a hair which is much thicker and the volume will be more.